Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm excited to share to you another Dollar Tree haul. Maybe some of the things that you see here are new and some are not, but I would like to share what I got from them. If you have seen this one, this is a reversible sequin beans. I already got the other one. They have 3 different colors, but I just already got last time the silver and the pink one, and this time I decided to get the other 2 because Anne has so many things that needs to be organized, and she loves this kind of organizer. Has the sequence one, so that's why I decided to get this red and green one, and the other one is the silver and the gold one. I also got this kind of book that they had. Let's get this party started, and this is a DIY celebration for you and your kids to create together. So this one is anything, an idea on how to have an awesome birthday parties or whatever parties that you have. So there's so many ideas that you can get in here. And this is a very good book if you don't have any idea on how to prepare a birthday party. So this book can really help a lot. So that's why I decided to get this one, because this is very informational for $1. So that's why I got this one. So cute. And also get this usually I got the bubble one, but I decided to get the plain envelope, which is 9 by 12 inches size. So there are 5 envelope inside. I also got this kind of stickers. I got another stickers again, and this time this is more about the sweets, like the cupcakes, the ice cream, and the donut. I decided to get this one because this can really help embellish all my birthday cards as well. So another one is I also got this kind of stickers. It's about the peace. So there's a peace sign and a rainbow and the dove one. So very cute. That's why I got that one. I also picked up this kind of phone stand that they had. Actually, there are 3 different style for this one, but I just got this donut one. Says I do not care. So I think there is fries, and I forget the other one, but there are 3 different kind of this phone stand. I also got this kind of felt pads that they had, because we usually use this kind of pad, so that's why I got that one. I also get this chicken soup for the soul, the food and love. I really like the topic, so that's why I got this one. And this is a very new one that they had. And so I got this different kind of design that they have. I think there are 5 different designs. And this is a combination of journal and the sticky notes. If you have seen this one, this is ice cream and the berries here. It's a berries. So the ice cream is a note and the berries is the sticky notes. It's very cute. I decided to get all of these different kind of design because I have on mind on what to do with this one. So another design is this one, the lemonade, and this is the sticky note, and this is the note. So cute, right? And this one is the pineapple. This is what I like the most because of the sticky notes that has a word in it that says love this and awesome. I would surely use this one because I am really into words, so that's why I really love this one among all. And another one is this one, the coffee. This is the notes, and this is the sticky notes. So it's so cute. That's why I got this one. And of course, this one, it's more about the flowers. Maybe it's about springtime and has leaves in here. So this leaves is so cute. This is a sticky note. The leaves is the sticky notes, because you would really be able to use this one in one of the embellishment that you're going to use in some of your projects. So that's why I got this. I saw another note cards with envelopes with this kind of size before I got the bicycle one. This time I have to get this again because I really love this kind of size, because you can be able to use this one in every shape, in every project that you're going to use for this shape and size. So that's why I like this. I got one again. Actually, that's new. But I got that kind of size again. I also got this candy kind of style. Now and later. I tried this one. We tried this one. It's like a Starburst. And just for $1 and £1 inside. There's so many inside. And you just got it from for $1. So I decided to get many of this. Actually, if you search it in Amazon, this is $7.95. So this is really a good deal. So that's why I got many of this one. I also got this cute stamps that they had. It's more about the birthdays. So that's why I decided to get this one, because I am really into birthday cards. So for sure, I'm going to use this different shape in there for my birthday cards. I also picked up this cell phone case that they had that has a sequence again. It's so cute, so that's why I got this for my cell phone, and I matched it with a pouch, the phone pouch that they had. And this is the color. Again, it's purple. I think this is purple, or no, and then the silver one, or the black one, silver. Yeah, so cute. I also got their notes. If you notice, there is an owl. Again, I really love owl. I don't know, I really easily attracted with anything that has an owl. So that's why, since I'm collecting owl already, I got this one again because of this owl. So that's why it's here. And I decided to get their Colgate. It says here 2-in-1. It's a toothpaste and a mouthwash. So I decided to get each one of the kind. So I will try it if what it means, a toothpaste and a mouthwash. So I got the icy blush and the whitening. So we'll try what is this. I also got these rubber bands that they had. I just really like the color and the size of this. So I decided to get this one because sometimes when there are some things that we need a rubber band, and this kind of thickness and a big one, and we haven't have it. So this time we have to get one to prepare if ever we need this kind of rubber band. And I also pick up this kind of Pedi Perfect Nail Care. If you have that electronic kind of thing, I think you have to get this one as well for reserve, because if your nail care heads will be damaged or anything, at least you have a replacement. So that's why I decided to get 5 of this kind of nail. I also got this baby powder that they had. We really need a powder, and so decided to try one in Dollar Tree. I don't know or if anybody there that have tried this kind of powder, but it smells good. That's why we want to try it. And we also got this lip balm that they had. I find it very cute. They have different color in there and different brand. This is a scented kind of lip balm, so I decided to get this one. This one is a double bubble. This one is a Miley Mint. This one is a Berry Blush. This one is a Grape Squish. And this one is a Vanilla Bean. So cute. What else? I think I have to share to you this one. I really am not into this kind of color, but I just decided to get this because I really need the little saucer, this kind of size. But I just only saw this kind of color, and also these two are the only one left there, so I decided to get it. And the brand for this one is the Rachel Ray, the one that usually you saw in a haul. They said that this is a good brand, but I don't know. but I decided to get it anyway because there are only 2 left there. So even though the color is not really for my color, I just decided to get it. And I also got this kind of planters that they had. This kind of planters, you would be able to see it in Hobby Lobby, and it's more expensive, so that's why I decided to get it in Dollar Tree, just only for $1. So I got 2 of these because we are planning to start to plant anything in our backyard, so that's why we got some other things that we have to use in need. The last but not the least, I got another organizer here again for things, so that's why I decided to get another one, the pink one, because she loved the color. So I think that's all that I wanna show you for this haul. I hope you enjoy it, guys, and hope you like, subscribe for those who haven't subscribed, and comment. Really love to hear from you guys, and thank you so much for those who have been with us. We really appreciate you and hope you always continue to support us, and thank you so much again for watching, and hope to see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.